Hey everyone and welcome to a new video here on our channel. Today we are diving into something really fun because we have rebuilt Call of Duty. Why? Well, Black Ops 6 just came out, and while I'm a big fan of the series overall, let's be honest, the past few games have all felt kind of same. Sure, the gameplay is smooth, sprinting in all directions feels great with the new Omni movement, but when you break it down, the changes are mostly just new maps and weapons, and maybe some quality of life tweaks. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of innovation happening, so I thought why not make my own version and add a fresh update to the formula without skill-based matchmaking and all the bullshit they have added in the last years. And to directly dive in, here's what we came up with after just 3 weeks of development in the Unreal Engine 5. We also didn't invent the wheel new here. It's a simple team deathmatch setup, but without the new complex mechanics like the skill-based matchmaking and all that stuff. The goal of this project wasn't just to rebuild Call of Duty or something like that, but to show you how quickly and easily you can create your own games using Unreal Engine. And maybe, just maybe, this video will inspire you to start your own game project as well. But let's go back to the beginning. How did all this start? For the foundation for this game, I used the low poly shooter framework from Figma Games, and it's an awesome starting point that comes with smooth animations, some nice weapons, and the basic shooter setup. But like most templates, it also has some limitations. For example, it didn't include a team deathmatch game mode and setup, which is kind of a must-have for a multiplayer shooter. Plus, the enemy AI wasn't designed to handle team-based gameplay. It's more suited for simple single-player, one-on-one scenarios, basically. So these were the first challenges we have tackled with my team to get the new game closer to what I envisioned. And then came the customization of this framework. We replaced the default character skins with some cool assets from the Unreal Engine marketplace, giving the game a more unique look. And after that, we have built a custom map as well, specifically for team deathmatch based gameplay. This part was really fun because it's where you can let your creativity shine, basically. The map is not perfect all in all, since I also only spent around 5 hours there just to showcase this to you as well here, but it was fun working on it, and I really liked the 3-lane maps back in the days from Call of Duty Black Ops 2, which I took also as an inspiration here. This style of the levels I'm also missing a bit in the new Call of Duty, since most of the new maps in Black Ops 6 also feel kind of strange. I maybe also make a more detailed video about this in the next weeks if you are interested in it, so let me know it in the comments. But after everything was in place, we had a fully functional multiplayer shooter ready to play with friends, and it's still work in progress, don't get me wrong there, but it's already a blast to play. So definitely let me know in the comments what we should add next there, and then I also might make a new video and update there as well. But now here's the crazy part. We only spent around $250 on it creating this game. That's about the same price you would pay for the best Call of Duty Vault bundle, maybe also together with the Battle Pass and maybe some skins from the shop. But the difference here is, instead of spending that money on something you'll probably stop playing and losing basically once the new game drops, this $250 is an investment in the future. Why? Because this game is something you can keep improving and building out further and even marketing it in the future, so it has the potential to generate a return of investment, unlike a game skin that loses value at the moment you stop playing. The takeaway here is, if you ever thought about making a game, now is the perfect time to start. The Unreal Engine 5 makes it incredibly easy to jump in, even if you are new to game development, and you don't even need a massive budget here, just some creativity, determination, and the right tools. And maybe also the right partner on your side who show you the right steps you need to take to build out your game step by step in the most efficient way, so you don't need to waste much time and money in the process. And that's exactly what I did with my company Neox Entertainment over the past 6 years. We helped our clients from the planning all over to the development and marketing of their own games. Since building your own game can be quite challenging, it definitely makes sense to have a mentor or a reliable developer there on your side assisting you. I also made a tutorial series about how to start in the best possible way with your game, which I will also link in the description, and I hope this also will help you to start there with your own first game. I hope I was able to motivate you to also start your first own game. All in all, it's quite a fun process and you will learn a lot there. And if you at some point should notice that the developers you are working together with are slow, don't provide any updates of their work and are unreliable, or if you want a strategic partner there assisting with your game from the very beginning, then feel free to reach out to me there. I would be very happy to assist you there, working out a strategy for your game, how you can build out the game in the most efficient way possible there, and all that completely for free. So I would be very happy to learn more there about your game ideas and all that stuff. You can easily find my mail here, or you can also directly book a free meeting with me over the link in the description. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let me know in comments what features or games you'd want to see next, and also, who knows, maybe I'll include them in the next update. So see you in the next one. Have a nice rest of your day and take care. Bye.